Hello friends, welcome to my channel, and today I'll be teaching you an Afghani cuisine which is called as Zamarood pulao. This is my way of making the Zamarood pulao. Zamarood in Arabic means green. So let's move on and learn how to make this lovely Zamarood pulao. To the ingredients, let me tell you that this is my way of cooking the Afghani Zamarood pulao. But if any of you feel offended by seeing these ingredients, then please forgive me. So, moving on, I have taken one green chili, two garlic cloves, 3 to 4 shavings of ginger, and this is vegetable seasoning cubes. So I've cut it into half because I'll be using one half for the rice and the other half for the spinach. Coming to the spices, here I have got garam masala powder, sorry, that's cumin powder, half a teaspoon. I have taken 2 teaspoons of salt, which I would be using for rice as well as the spinach. And this is cumin, this is garam masala, again half teaspoon. I have taken one bunch of spinach. And coming to the rice, I have taken 2 cups of rice which I have washed and drained. So let's move on. Here, as you can see, I have put a large bowl of water for boiling, and I have added 8 to 10 glasses of water and 1.5 teaspoon of salt. As soon as it comes to a boil, we will add rice to it. Now moving on to the vegetables. Here I have heated up a pan, and we are going to add very little olive oil, and I'm going to add all the vegetables, only the green chili, garlic and the ginger, and we will just let it saute a bit, and I will add the spinach. So as you can see, our vegetables are sauteed. Now I'm going to add the spinach. Spinach will not take a long time, it wilts very fast. We have not added any salt, so I'll mix it up first. Now in this pot of boiling water, I'm going to add this half of the vegetable seasoning cube. Now here the spinach is wilting, so I've just added the other half of the vegetable cube, and now we have not added any salt because I'm going to do a taste test after this cools down, and then we will add salt accordingly. So here the spinach is completely wilted, and now I'm going to switch off the flame, and we are going to puree it. We'll let it cool down, and then we will puree it to a fine paste. It's cooled down but still warm, and I've added cumin powder, and now we're going to puree it. If you want, you may add a couple of tablespoons of water and puree it. So let's go ahead. This puree is ready. Now in the original recipe, in the original Afghani Zamarood pulao, they sieve this puree, they strain it through a sieve. So I'm not going to go through that because I'm just going to add directly to the rice, because I want to take the entire benefit of the fiber spinach has got. So let's go on and check to the rice. So as you can see, my water is boiling right here, so I'm going to add the rice, and I'm going to cook it till it's 90% cooked. Give it a stir. So here our rice is almost done. It's almost, you can say, like 85% done. I'm sorry, I had told you that you have to cook it 90%, but between somewhere 80 to 85 would be fine. Now I've switched off the flame. I'm going to strain this rice and transfer it to a bowl. The rice as well as the puree is ready. I'm going to add the puree bit by bit, just 2 spoonfuls at a time, and I'm going to mix it. Color it is giving to the rice, it's looking very pretty. Don't add this entire thing at one time because it might make your rice very mushy. Maybe you might not need so much, you might need only less, so it's always better to add little by little. So I'll show you how much I have used. As you can see, I have not used the entire thing, but I've added only 4 soup spoons. These are soup spoons. I use 4 spoons of these, and this is the color that I want. Now again I've transferred this rice into the pot because our rice was only 80 to 85% cooked. Now we need to cook it more. So this is the garam masala that I'm sprinkling at the top, and this is the water, the puree water which was in the jar. So I just added some water, drizzle a bit of olive oil over the top like how you would do in the normal biryanis, and cover and let it cook for almost 10 to 15 minutes on simmer. So here the Zamarood pulao is ready, and as I said, we have added only salt in the water while the rice was boiling, and we did not add any other salt. So we are just on 1.5 teaspoon of salt plus the salt which was there in the seasoning cube. So now the Zamarood pulao is ready to be served. This Afghani Zamarood pulao is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with raitas or pickles. Do enjoy it, and let me know, try it, and post your comments and share my videos with your family and friends. And thank you for watching my video.